Close your eyes and imagine a world where everything from the smallest watch gear to the most massive aircraft is assembled and designed with impeccable accuracy, with no room of error. Welcome to the fascinating world of precision engineering. Let's get started.
1. Understanding the concept of precision engineering. Precision engineering is a discipline that aims at designing, creating, and managing high-performance systems with an exceptional degree of accuracy and precision. The scope of precision engineering extends beyond just ensuring precise measurements and includes controlling environmental factors and eliminating human errors to ensure accuracy. It is the driving force behind high-quality manufacturing in various fields, from automotive to aerospace, from robotics to semiconductors. 2. The importance of precision engineering in modern technology. Modern technology thrives on precision. Precision engineering ensures the components of your smartphone align perfectly, and the thousands of transistors on a single chip are accurately placed. Without precision engineering, modern technological marvels like satellites, robotics, and nanotechnology wouldn't exist. 3. The role of precision engineering in manufacturing industries. In an era where quality control is key, precision engineering plays a pivotal role in manufacturing industries. It ensures the creation of consistent, high-quality products, reduces waste, and boosts efficiency. From the automotive industry to electronics, precision engineering is an integral part of the manufacturing process. 4. An overview of the techniques in precision engineering. Precise measurements, tight tolerances, and flawless execution are key to precision engineering. Techniques like CNC machining, 3D printing, and laser cutting are just a few examples of how precision engineering brings designs to life. 5. The impact of precision engineering on product quality. Precision engineering contributes significantly to product quality. By ensuring each part is accurately made and assembled, it guarantees the final product performs as expected and stands the test of time. As we've seen, precision engineering is a vital part of modern manufacturing and technology. If you found this journey into the world of precision engineering fascinating, hit that subscribe button and join us as we continue exploring the science and technology shaping our world. And remember, precision is the key to perfection. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.